In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update the BIOS on your AORUS B650 Elite AX. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To safely update your BIOS, all that you need is a USB flash drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space, but it needs enough to hold the BIOS file that is going to perform the update. Keep in mind as well that it is recommended to format the drive before starting. So if needed, format the drive by right-clicking it on File Explorer and choosing the Format function. Now, to download the necessary file for the update, go to the official Gigabyte website and look for the B60 AORUS Elite AX. In here, click on Support, and you will see all of the download options available. So after this page loads, you will have different categories. The one that you are looking for is going to be available by scrolling down. So you will have driver. If you scroll down, you will see BIOS. Now download any of the BIOS versions available. Usually people will download the latest one available here. So click on download, and once you have this BIOS file, it will come in a zip like this. So this is just a random example, but the idea is the same. Open your USB flash drive, and assuming that you formatted, it is going to be empty. Now drag the BIOS file inside of here, and now restart your computer. You will have to access the BIOS interface while the USB flash drive is plugged into the motherboard. So if you are using your PC case USB ports, make sure that you switch and you plug the USB flash drive into the motherboard itself. Restart your PC as I've mentioned and go into the BIOS by repeatedly pressing Delete or F2 while your computer is booting up. Inside of the BIOS, you will have to use the QFlash function, so press F8 or look at the bottom right corner of the screen. If QFlash is not available, press F2 or look for the toggle between Easy Mode and Advanced Mode. But once you find and go into the QFlash function, you will be able to perform the update. So your USB flash drive will be detected, including the BIOS file that you've downloaded. With the BIOS file loaded here, choose it from the list and then select Update BIOS. Now let this process run undisturbed until it is fully completed. It might reboot after it is done and the update will be performed. Make sure that power is not cut out during this process or it could potentially break your motherboard. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS AORUS B650 Elite AX. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.